Welcome to DSA Progress channel. Today we'll be solving pattern 7 problem. So the problem statement states that given an integer n, you need to recreate a pattern given below for any value of n. Let's say for n is equal to 5, the pattern should look like below. As in, when n is 5, the first line will have one star with two spaces in front. The second line will have three stars with two spaces in front. Here three spaces, here two spaces, here one space, here two space, here three space, and here four spaces. So let's do it. So first we have to decide the number of lines that we totally want. So we want in total, that is I is equal to I less than n I plus plus. Within this, we have to make provisions for spaces as well as stars. So we have to use two for loops, one for space, one for stars. J less than, so we have to come up with a formula. The formula for space would be, we can use n minus I. N would be 0. N would be 0. And I would be 0. So now minus 1. This is for spaces. Let me system.out.print empty space. So when I is 0, j will start from 0. N is 5. 5 minus 0 is 4 spaces. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for 4, 5 minus 0 is 5, minus 1 is 4. So we'll have 4 spaces here. This is for space. After spaces, we have to create one more for loop to print the stars. J less than, to build up the star value, for n is equal to 5, we need to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 9 stars. So it would be 2 into I plus 1. So when it is I is 0, we will have 1 star. When I is equal to 2, we will have, when I is equal to 1, it will be 3. When I is equal to 2, it will be 5. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That's the order. So this formula would suffice, and j plus plus, we have to print the star. System dot out dot print our star. So, and for, let me run this. We haven't printed the new line. So after this inner for loops, we have to print, and there is a typo error here, and we have to print out a new line. Let me run this. Accepted. So let me submit this code. So all the 22 test cases have passed. Thank you, friends.